cannot do it today. According to the responses only it will accept. Okay. Yes, children. Now only 13 children joined. What about others?
Ma'am,
Yes.
today you have sent the link, na?
No, today I didn't send any link.
1 minute, ma'am.
No, that is the previous test. Date also there, beta. So when you are clicking on the link, previous link also may be there in the channel, but you have to scroll down and see the date on which date it is posted. Okay, according to that you have to click.
Ma'am,
Understand?
on personal number you have sent it and one link to me.
That is for 5th year student, na?
1 minute, ma'am.
Kanishka.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought that you are the 5th. This is for actually 5th class. You are a 4th class.
Okay, ma'am. You have sent it by mistake.
No, actually I thought that you are the 5th class student. Because that girl was asking for this, so that I send it. Okay, you are a 5th class. I don't know that you are a 4th class.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth. So previous before, how can you ask also, children? See, I didn't start the class before itself. You were asking for the link. And whenever you are clicking on any of the subjects, okay, you must think that you must see the date on which date it is posted. The previous test, no, you cannot do the test. Okay. So now how many children joined? 18 children joined. Okay. Now who else are here? Okay. Okay, then let me to start the chapter. Huh? So all of you are having your book page number 104 open.
Yes, ma'am.
Opened.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So
Open.
okay, here. See, so now I am also presenting my screen here. Okay, I am presenting my screen here. Okay. Okay, all of you are able to see this screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine,
Yes,
fine,
ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Okay, now see that today is this chapter 12. That is solar system. Okay, so what is meant by solar system? Only one. The sun and its 8 planets, their moons and other heavenly objects. They all together form the solar system. So who will be who is at the center of the solar system? Sun. Okay. So here each planet revolves around the sun, but all of them are revolving. All of them are revolving on its own orbit only. Now, please, children, all of you mute yourself. From the backside, sound is coming. Okay. So mute yourself. When I ask the questions, you have to say. Till that, mute yourself. And these planets, they do not have their own light. But then how it shows the light? Because of the reflection. Okay, they reflect the light of the sun. Now see, I will show here. These are the eight planets. Okay, now it started to rotate. Okay, revolving around the sun. The first one, which is near to the sun, that is Mercury. Okay, so here you are able to see this screen, children. It is revolving.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, the first one, that is the first one which is revolving, which is closer to the sun, that is the Mercury. Okay, so Mercury, it is the smallest planet in the solar system. Okay, and the second one, that is the, which one?
Venus.
Venus. Venus. It is the hottest planet. That is the hottest planet in the solar system, right? And we can see it in the night sky also, and not only that, in the early morning or evening. That time also we can see on the sky like a bright star. So Venus is known as the morning star or evening star. And please, children, somebody's background sound is coming. The vessels, kitchens sound, everything is coming. So please mute yourself so that others will not get any disturbance. Okay. So that the second planet, it is the Venus. Venus is known as morning star or evening star. And the third one is the Earth. Okay. So the Earth, it is also known as the blue planet because it that 70% of its surface is covered with the water. So it is known as the blue planet. And now the fourth one, it is the Mars. Mars is called the red planet because of its reddish brown appearance due to the red rusty dust. Okay. And the next one, it is the Jupiter. Jupiter, it is the largest as well as fastest spinning planet in the solar system. And it is also having three thin rings around it that is made of dust particles. Okay. So Jupiter, when we are saying about the Jupiter's size, it is 11 times as wide as the Earth. Understood? And when we say that all the planets can fit inside of it, that much big it is. Okay. And the next one is the, which one? Saturn. Okay. Saturn. Here, see again, this sound. Who is making this sound? I don't know. Listen there, children. Please mute yourself. अपने आप को म्यूट करो, children, and singing also from the back. If you are not, if you are not listening, I will remove you. That much sound creating, huh? No manners, huh? And somebody is in the washroom. Huh? Aryan Ram, from where sound coming?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Somebody is singing and they're washing the vessels. Those sounds are coming here.
is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Yes, ma'am.
Voice is not coming.
Your voice is not coming.
Your voice is not coming.
Coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am is on mute.
Coming.
Okay, now you are able to hear me. And the thing, this somebody was
Yes, ma'am.
somebody was continuously speaking, and from the backside also the sound was coming, like from the kitchen, the vessels are washing, and those the sounds are very, that it was irritating. That is what I muted everybody. Huh? Now you people are not listening anything. Then what to do? Now see, let's see. Now we were on that Uranus planet, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am on Saturn.
Huh?
Ma'am on Saturn planet.
Ma'am, we are on Saturn planet.
We are on the Saturn planet. I will explain. You people now please keep quiet. Okay. This Deepesh Agarwal, mute yourself, beta. Aryan Joshi already in this only. Deepesh Agarwal. Miss Pranjali is requesting to join. Okay, Hita Saini. Two children are now. 1 minute. Okay, now I am again explaining here. Okay, so nobody will switch on the mic. Okay, and again here it is it started. We were with the this Neptune planet. Okay, so Neptune. Here this Neptune planet, it is the farthest planet from the sun. Okay, it looks blue in color because the cold winds blow very fast on the Neptune, so that it is blue in color. Okay, and uh, so this is the farthest planet from the sun, right? Far now it is on the outermost also, the last one. You know, it is very far from the sun. So these are what are the 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These all are the 8 planets. And already when I was explaining this chapter, I explained to you. So these 4 planets like the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, they are the inner planets which are made up of the rocks, and the Jupiter, from Jupiter to Neptune, they are the outer planets. Okay, they all are made up of gases. Understood? So the inner planets are made up of rocks, and the outer planets are made up of gases. They all the outer planets are having the rings, but very it is visible by the Saturn. When we are explaining this Saturn, we are drawing with the ring. Here somebody is speaking. Who is that? Now satellites. Okay, satellites, the objects that revolve around the planets are known as the satellites. Here, which is the natural satellite of the Earth?
Moon.
Moon. And moon is not having its own light, but it shines because of the reflection of the sun's light.
Light. Sun.
Hmm. And
Sunlight.
who is this? I don't know. All planets are having their natural satellites or moons, but only Mercury and Venus do not have their own moon or their own natural satellite. Okay, so you learned up to here, you understood, I hope. And now I am asking this girl who is there. Hmm, this Bhavya Garg. Please read page number 104. Bhavya Garg.
Ma'am, she's coming.
Where is she? Ah, Bhavya Garg, first one. You read, Vita. Switch on your, if you want, you can switch on the camera also.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Pure,
read.
read करो. Read करो.
Beta,
Ma'am,
there
what's
are
the
8
page number?
page number 104 from the beginning.
104 page number. But
कैमरा बंद कर बंद है ना कैमरा
4 Pew?
ये है क्या
हाँ. कौन से पढ़ना है?
Read.
104. Read करो. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Each
Hmm.
planet revolves around the sun in its own orbit.
Hmm.
Planets are heavier bodies that revolve around the sun. They do not have any light of their own. They reflect off the light of the sun.
Very good. Okay, stop it. Now this is Shazin Pathan. Shazin Pathan, you read the solar system.
Yes.
Hmm.
The sun, 8 planets, their moons, and other heavenly objects from the solar system. The eight
Stop,
planets in the
stop,
order of
stop.
increasing distance
It is
from
not from. It is
sun.
not from. All these heavenly objects form the solar system. Okay, not from the solar system. Huh.
Okay.
The 8
From the
planets.
solar 8 planets in the order of increasing distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
It
Pluto
means
was
from increasing distance means from smaller to bigger, right? That way from the short distance to larger distance. That is what Mercury is very closer to Sun. Okay. Yes. Now this next this Kaniksha. Kaniksha. You read.
Pluto.
Ah.
Pluto was considered as the ninth planet of the solar system until scientists reclassified it as a dwarf planet on August 24, 2006. International Astronomical Union redefined planet. Pluto did not fit into the definition and is now considered as a dwarf planet. The other dwarf planets are Ceres, etc. Dwarf planets also revolve around the sun in their fixed orbits. Let
Okay.
us read about.
That Sanat Kumar Katara. Sanat Kumar Katara. Now you read Sun.
The sun is a hot ball of glowing gases that gives us heat and light. It is the center of our solar system. It is the star nearest to the earth.
Okay. Now this Ishan Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishan Gupta, continue.
Mercury.
Hmm.
It is the planet closest to the sun. It is the
Hmm.
smallest planet in the solar system.
Hmm. Here, Purvi. Purvi, you read now. Purvi.
Okay, ma'am.
You read
Venus
now.
is this planet in the solar system. We can see
Hmm.
in the night sky. It looks like a bright star in early morning or evening. It is
Hmm.
also called the morning star or evening star.
Okay, now Yash Verma. Yash Verma,
Yes, ma'am.
you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Earth. Earth. Read it.
It is the only planet ever life exists. It
Hmm.
is also called the blue planet. Since
Hmm.
70
Since.
of
Since.
its surface is covered with water.
You have to read it since, not science. Okay. It is a since.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, ma'am.
Now here this is Sanvi Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi Jain, you read Mars.
It is called the red planet because of its reddish brown appearance due to red rusty dust.
Very good. Now here this is
Jupiter.
Sanvi Thakur. Sanvi Thakur. You read Jupiter.
It is the largest and fastest spinning planet in the solar system.
Hmm.
Three things, three thin rings of dust encircle Jupiter.
Okay, stop. Now Parag Shukla. Parag Shukla.
Yes, ma'am.
You read Parag Shukla, read Saturn.
Ma'am, I.
Parag Shukla is not here.
Ma'am,
Read.
ma'am, oh, ma'am, Saturn,
Hmm.
ma'am, my page is
Where you were not looking the book na when other children were reading. That is what now
ma'am,
you are
I,
searching for the page.
ma'am, I, ma'am,
My, who is that my? My
I,
is not having name.
ma'am, Aryan, Aryan
Aryan
Lamba,
Lamba.
ma'am.
Wait, let him to read Parag Shukla. Read. Okay. Now here this Ekta Saini is there. Ekta Saini. Not here.
Ma'am, Saturn, it is surrounded by silver shining rings around it. Its rings are made of ice, rocks, and dust.
Huh. Now here this Ishan Gupta. You continue. You continue.
Ma'am,
Uranus. It is the
Huh.
first planet discovered by using a telescope. It is the
Hmm.
only planet that spins on its side.
Very good. Naman Sharma.
Neptune is the farthest planet
Farthest,
from
no,
the
it is
sun.
farthest.
Farthest planet
Farthest, very
from,
far.
from the sun. It looks blue in color. Cold
Hmm.
winds blow very fast on Neptune.
Now this Devansh Kumawat. Devansh Kumawat. Not there. See. Aryan Lamba, you read now.
Ma'am, which?
The last paragraph. Mercury. When others are reading, why you are
okay.
not looking?
It is the planet closest to the sun. It is
No,
the smallest.
No.
Ma'am, you said the
Mercury, no. From the last paragraph, Mercury, Venus, Earth, that only I said. It means you are not listening.
paragraph.
After Neptune, the last paragraph.
Satellites.
Oh, before satellite, one paragraph was there, na? Mercury, Venus, Earth.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are four inner planets made of rocks. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are four outer planets made of gases. All outer planets have rings.
Okay. Now, children, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now yours, it is actually that time over. Okay. Now I am stop sharing this meeting. Okay. Now wait a minute. Let me to take one more time your attendance. Okay. Okay, tomorrow you are having the test. Read properly all the question answers. I will ask you to upload the file. So you have to write it in a sheet, answers. Then that page you take the photo of it. Then you have to upload it. Okay. So you all must do that test. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah.
I can't send the photo on laptop.
You take the with the mobile, afterwards you send that in the your laptop. From there you can do it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Then
I can send
examination
it.
how will.
Ma'am,
No,
I
it
can
is not like that. You
number.
must click on the link and send it. Then only the responses will come to me. Okay. Okay. Now thank you, children.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye.